But at least we can avoid things on the track.
What?
God!
What?
One more thing.
What?
Though. Where are we going? I'll tell you when we get there. Here we go!
And no one sees this. Oh, yeah. Why not?
We seem to be going underground. Hold on tight, everyone. I
Under-
think we've arrived.
Where have we arrived?
We've reached the